In this video, I'll show you how to use your MacBook to extend the display of your Mac Mini M4 or to mirror the display. Both are working. So let me show you. Because right now, as you see here, if I take this image, I can drag it over here on my MacBook screen. And this MacBook is only acting as an external display to my Mac Mini, just to be clear. So to do this, let's start from the beginning. First thing you need to know is that both of these computers needs to be logged in the same Apple ID. Then on your Mac Mini, go on the top right corner, click on this icon, then go down and select screen mirroring. Over here, make sure that, by the way, your MacBook is open beside it and connected also on the same Wi-Fi network. And you should see the name of your MacBook Air or MacBook Pro, whatever, appearing in this list. Once you see this, click it. And it should start right away. You'll have two options. You're going to have mirror, which is mirroring, so it's the same thing on both displays, or use as an extended display, which means you'll have like an external monitor. It will extend the space you have on your Mac Mini. And if you want to have more options, you're going to click on display settings. Then this will open, and here you'll be able to place the screens the way they are. So you see my MacBook is a lot lower than my Mac Mini screen. So what I will do is I will click on arrange, and I will lower the screen so it mimics what's in reality, like that. This makes more sense, and I'll press done. So this way, when I go with my mouse this way, you see it blocks here because there's nothing, but if I go lower, whoops, it continues on my MacBook screen. So this is how it's done. If you want to quit this mode, you simply need to re-click on the top right corner, select screen mirroring, and then click on your MacBook to end. So this is it. Quite easy, quite cool, could be useful sometimes. Leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.